We got ourselves a remanufactured Jasper transmission for this pretty 2018 four-wheel drive Yukon XL. We already got the old transmission out. Just preparing to put the new one back in. Cross members. Go into here and take a look. If you've watched our video channel before, you know that we did a Hummer that was very similar to this, but we ended up removing the flywheel on that one because they had a leak at the plate that's behind here that's very common. This vehicle is real dry, so we don't need to address anything like that. There's not much room up in these engines for hands. So we can get new Tranny fluid in it when we're done. Got the transfer case back here. So you might recognize this too. That's a recycled piece from our last job. Greg dug out of the back and found. Got that big old exhaust so that V8 can breathe. We're going to be putting this thing back together tomorrow morning and hopefully have an update on how that's running for you. These transmissions do have to be flashed, programmed by the dealer. So we're going to have to get this truck towed and then reprogrammed so it'll actually drive when we're done. Come back and see us.